Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to cornrow this hair. If you are new to cornrow, you want to learn how to cornrow hair, how to grip the hair as you cornrow, this video is certainly for you. So here we have this portion of the hair, quite big, compared to these other ones. I'm going to be parting this hair into two. So you can use any sharp comb. You can see how sharp this one is. If you get a sharp comb, you can, easily part your hair. Even if your line is not so straight, at least you can get something close to straight, So for this video, let's just use this as a tutorial how to cornrow hair, especially if you are a beginner. Okay guys, so let's leave it at this. Okay, so I'm going to be applying a little bit of oil, to this cap, just to give it a tiny shine. So you can use any hair cream of your choice. And so if you want to cornrow hair, in order for this one not to disturb this one, just use something like hair clip to secure this part. So for now, I'll be using this band to secure this one so that it does not disturb me when I am cornrolling this other side. So guys, let us focus on this one to cornrow this part. To start, we are going to start from this very front, kind of like pinch out. That's the best way I can explain it. Pinch out, tiny parts of the hair in 3 places. 1, 2, and this hand is grabbing another one. So you can see the one side gripped. So something like this, 2 and 3. And so we start. You use this hand to grip hair. You take this one, grip hair. So it means the initial thin strands you pick here, they are getting bigger right now. You grip, you grip. I like to always brush the hair like comb out the hair a little bit in order to free any tangling parts of the hair, because sometimes the hair can just tangle, but if you gently comb the hair, you know, it gets free and it helps you to control with ease. And here we have our beautiful cornrow hairstyle. So I made her these two at the very front to just give it an extra styling. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe if you are yet to do that. See you all in the comment section, as well as see you all in our next video. We have beautiful videos here on our YouTube channel that you can actually watch and learn how to make hair. Simple hairstyles anyone can learn at any time, you know, any free time of your choice. So people, thank you for watching this video. See you all in our next video.